The word we'll be learning in this section is tsuzuki, which you will often hear when talking about ongoing series, like in the context of watching a TV drama, reading a book, or discussing plans. For example, someone might say they can't wait to watch the tsuzuki of an exciting show or read the tsuzuki of a novel they've been enjoying. The word tsuzuki means continuation, sequence, or the rest. It's often used to refer to the next part of a story, ongoing events, or items following each other in order. You might encounter it when discussing episodes of a series or telling someone you want to hear the rest of a story. The first kanji means to continue or follow in a series. It shows up when you talk about keeping something going, for example, tsuzukeru, which means to continue doing an action because tsuzuke carries the idea of carrying on. Another common use is kikitsuzuki, which means continuously or as before, where tsuzuke gives the sense of one thing following another without break. I am curious about the continuation of this drama. このドラマの続きが気になる。このドラマの続きが気になる。Please tell me the rest of the story. 話の続きを聞かせて。話の続きを聞かせて。The continuation for tomorrow is later. 明日の続きは後で。明日の続きは後で。The continuation will be next time. 続きは次回です。続きは次回です。The most common synonyms for tsuzuki are 連続, which emphasizes a consecutive order or sequence without interruption. 継続, which suggests carrying on with something or the continuation of a particular state or activity. The most common antonyms of the word tsuzuki are 終了, which refers to the completion or end of something, noting that it marks the finality. 切れる, which means to break or interrupt, often suggesting an unexpected or undesirable halt in the continuation.